Alright, so as you can see, once again, we're in a bit of a hairy situation. And now we're actually in Tennessee. Alright, so as you can see, once again, we're in a bit of a hairy situation. Not as bad as last time. There's not a cliff next to me that I can fall to my death. But we're stuck, and it's pretty muddy out, so I don't want to keep going back into this ditch and trying to get out of it. So I'm going to use the winch again and pull from a tree that's over here, so that way I can kind of get my front two tires out of the way, and once they're up and clear, we'll go up the trail a little bit further. So that's the plan. Alright, so it's currently day 8 right now. We after the hike yesterday, I did some astrophotography all the way up until about 2 in the morning, and then after that we got up around noon. Well, not got up, but we left the campsite around noon, and now we're actually in Tennessee, still in Cherokee National Forest, but we're just outside of Greenville and Tennessee. We're gonna do a trail that's called the Forest Creek OHV Road. It's about 9 miles with a 2,700 foot gain in elevation, so it might take us a little bit.